Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that might completely change how you think about your skincare routine. We spend so much time and money on creams, serums, and masks, all in the hope of waking up with fresher, younger-looking skin. But what if I told you the most powerful anti-aging secret isn't something you put on your skin, but something you put in your body? Right before you go to sleep, it sounds almost too simple to be true, but stick with me. Most of us believe our skin just passively ages while we sleep. The truth is the complete opposite. Nighttime is when your skin goes into full-on repair mode. It's not aging, it's actively regenerating. Think of it as a highly specialized overnight construction crew coming in to fix all the damage from the day. This isn't just a wellness trend, it's backed by solid science. Between the late evening and the early hours of the morning, our bodies are hard at work. This is when skin cell renewal kicks into high gear. Collagen synthesis peaks, and our skin's protective barrier gets patched up. This entire process is driven by a symphony of biological functions that happen during deep sleep, like the release of growth hormone, improved blood flow to the skin, and powerful antioxidant repair mechanisms. Esteemed dermatology and sleep research journals, like the Journal of Investigative Dermatology and the Lancet, have documented this phenomenon for years. Your body has a natural built-in system for rejuvenation. So, if our bodies are already programmed to do this, where's the missing piece? Why don't we all wake up looking perfectly refreshed every single day? Here is the part most people miss, and it's the key that unlocks this entire process. What you eat 2 to 3 hours before bed directly determines how effective that overnight repair becomes. It's like sending the construction crew to a job site with either a full stock of high-quality materials or a handful of scraps. The quality of their work depends entirely on the resources you give them. Let's break down exactly what your skin is looking for. First, protein. Protein provides the essential amino acids that are the literal building blocks for collagen and elastin. These are the proteins that give your skin its firmness, structure, and bounce. Without enough amino acids, your body simply can't manufacture new collagen effectively. Next up, a crucial partner for protein. You might know it as an immune booster, but in your skin, vitamin C acts as a master activator. It's essential for the chemical reactions that form stable, strong collagen fibers. You can have all the amino acids in the world, but without enough vitamin C, the collagen synthesis process stalls. Then we have omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are incredible for reducing inflammation throughout the body, including in your skin. Inflammation is a major driver of skin aging. Omega-3s also help to build strong, flexible cell membranes, which are vital for keeping your skin cells hydrated and functioning properly. Healthy cell membranes mean plumper, more moisturized skin. Finally, we need antioxidants. Throughout the day, our skin is bombarded by things like UV radiation, pollution, and stress. These create unstable molecules called free radicals that cause oxidative damage, breaking down collagen and accelerating aging. Antioxidants are your skin's defense force. They go in and neutralize these free radicals, stopping the damage in its tracks and allowing the repair process to take over. The link between diet and skin health is undeniable. Numerous studies, including research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition and the journal Nutrients, consistently show that diets rich in these key components, antioxidants, healthy fats, and micronutrients, are directly associated with slower visible skin aging, better skin hydration, and fewer wrinkles. It all comes back to giving your body the right tools at the right time. So, what does this look like in practice? Let's talk about some simple, delicious foods you can have in the evening to supercharge your skin's overnight renewal. You don't need to cook a fancy meal. These are easy snacks. A fantastic option is a small bowl of Greek yogurt with a handful of berries. The Greek yogurt provides that high-quality protein we talked about, supplying the amino acids for collagen. The berries, like blueberries or raspberries, are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, which protect your skin and help put those amino acids to work. Another great choice is tart cherries or pomegranate. Tart cherries are a natural source of melatonin, which can help improve your sleep quality. Remember, deep sleep is when the magic happens. Pomegranates are antioxidant powerhouses, helping to fight off that daily damage. How about a small handful of walnuts or almonds? Walnuts are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, perfect for calming inflammation and supporting your skin's barrier. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, another potent antioxidant that works beautifully to protect your skin cells. You could also have a few slices of avocado. It's full of healthy monounsaturated fats that keep your skin moisturized from the inside out. And it contains vitamins C and E. It's a true skin-loving superfood, and to drink. Instead of something that might disrupt your sleep, try a cup of chamomile or rooibos tea. Chamomile is well known for its calming properties that promote restful sleep. And rooibos is naturally caffeine-free and loaded with unique antioxidants that benefit the skin. Now, just as important as what to eat is what to avoid. Eating the wrong things before bed can actively sabotage your skin's repair efforts. The #1 enemy here is sugar. A high-sugar snack before bed promotes a process called glycation. This is where excess sugar molecules attach to your collagen and elastin fibers, making them stiff, brittle, and weak. Glycation essentially hardens your skin's support structure, leading directly to fine lines and sagging. Next on the list to avoid is alcohol. While a glass of wine might feel relaxing, it's terrible for your skin, especially at night. Alcohol is a diuretic, meaning it dehydrates your entire body, including your skin. Dehydrated skin looks dull, and fine lines become much more prominent. More importantly, alcohol severely disrupts your sleep architecture, preventing you from reaching the deep, restorative stages of sleep where all that crucial skin repair is supposed to happen. Finally, be mindful of late-night caffeine. It might be obvious, but that late afternoon coffee or evening soda can linger in your system for hours. Caffeine is a stimulant that directly interferes with your ability to fall asleep and, like alcohol, reduces the amount of deep sleep you get. If you're not getting enough deep sleep, you're robbing your skin of its prime regeneration time. Research in journals, like the Journal of Dermatological Science and Sleep, Medicine Reviews confirms the damaging effects of these substances on our skin and sleep cycles. So, the takeaway from all of this is simple, yet incredibly powerful. True, lasting anti-aging isn't just about the expensive creams and serums you apply on the outside. It's about creating a holistic strategy that works with your body's natural rhythms, not against them. It's about aligning your nutrition with your body's innate repair cycle. Start thinking of your evening snack as the final, most important step in your skincare routine. You are literally feeding your skin the raw materials it needs to rebuild and rejuvenate itself while you rest. Eat to repair, sleep to regenerate, and wake up with skin that truly reflects the care you've given it from the inside out. Try incorporating some of these skin-friendly evening foods and see what a difference it makes for you. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite healthy nighttime snack is. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time.